feel crazy? Do you feel like you can't keep your thoughts in order and just generally out of control? Hi, I'm Rachel Hodges. I'm the nurse practitioner with Apple Healthcare Group, and I specialize in functional nutritional medicine, which deals a lot with hormones and nutritional balances. Very frequently, women throughout our life stages, we can have hormone imbalances that can cause a lot of symptoms. It can cause weight gain. It can cause you to wake up multiple times a night or not be able to go to sleep at all. It can cause you not to keep your thoughts straight. You just can't think of the word that you're wanting to say. Or hot flashes, which are the number one thing most women associate with a hormonal problem. But you don't have to be an older woman to have a hormonal issue. Very frequently are women even under 30 or in their 30s who have had a baby. Sometimes after you give birth, your hormones don't reset properly, and that can cause several of those symptoms. Very frequently, you'll complain about those to another provider, and they might say, oh, you're just adjusting to a new baby. You're supposed to feel this exhausted. You're supposed to feel like you are totally frazzled all the time. That's not the case. Very frequently, you have a hormone imbalance or a nutritional imbalance that we need to work on. If you're in your 40s or early 50s, frequently you'll get the comment, you're starting to gain weight and muscles are starting not to be as strong as they used to be. They're getting a little bit soft, and you'll get the comment, oh, you're just starting menopause. Once that ends, it'll get better. That's not normal. You should have your hormones checked so we can make sure that that's really what's going on, because frequently it's a hormonal issue and we can fix that. You don't have to feel crummy. You don't have to feel fatigued and have hot flashes and can't think of what you want to say. And the same thing's true for our 60 and up crowd. Even though you're well through menopause, you should have good bone strength. You should have good muscle strength. And those are all evidence of your hormones working properly. If you don't have that, you typically do have a hormonal imbalance, and that's something that we can help with. We do very detailed testing here at Apple Healthcare Group, and if you have any of these problems, we would love to see you for a full evaluation.